everyone, I am not your favorite YouTuber. If you're wondering what is this video about, who is this new YouTube channel, what to expect and what not. So hi, I am not your favorite YouTuber, and today, as you have seen from the title, we are going to expose your not so favorite YouTuber. That is me. Hi. So I have always loved talking to the camera. I've always dreamt of having a YouTube channel. I've always loved the idea of having a YouTube channel, to be honest, because I love talking to the camera, and I would love to have an audience, to have a safe space for the people and for myself where we can just come and talk about anything and everything. So that is what you're going to be, seeing. You are going to see my point of views on certain things, my top picks, my experiences, and expect the unexpected, if I must say, because I am not starting this channel with the expectation that अच्छा I have to find my niche. नहीं, मेरी niche मुझे खुद ढूंढेगी, मेरा YouTube चैनल अपने आप फटेगा और मेरी ऑडियंस मुझ तक खुद तक आएगी. एंड यूजुअली आई वाज थिंकिंग कि क्या मैं यूट्यूब चैनल खोलूँ या इंस्टाग्राम पेज खोलूँ, क्योंकि अगर मुझे फेम चाहिए तो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम से जल्दी मिलेगा, बिकॉज वो रीशेयर वाला बटन, ऑनेस्टली अगर कोई भी हल्का सा भी इंटरेक्ट करता है तो वो रील 4 लोगों को और पहुँच जाती है ऑटोमेटिकली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फ्रेंड्स वाला टैब एंड एवरीथिंग. बट दैट्स मोर क्विक सक्सेस, ऑनेस्टली, इफ आई एम सेइंग. So I thought, why not try YouTube? And also I don't really want a lot of just people who I know ऐसा chain banana. I don't want to do that. I don't want to make a chain of my channel, right? All I want to do is that I post consistently and my audience finds me, right? So if you're thinking what to expect, you can expect reviews, poetry, my point of views on certain things, and what not to expect. I think I'm not going to be very locational based, and one thing, I'm going to talk and record in the car because I think that is one of the safest ways to go out without revealing your address and all. So there are certain things I am skeptical that I won't talk about. I won't really go political on this channel because I am not a very political person. I'm not somebody who can who has a even if I have a political view, I think that is just my view. I'm not going to, post religious stuff here. I'm going to share my religious experiences, my point of views. But again, I'm not going to influence you guys. I'm not an influencer. I am not a creator. I am just someone who is creating a safe space, a place where you can come and talk and, vibe with me. That's all. And honestly, मैं सच बताऊँ तो as a kid, I have always dreamt of having a YouTube channel, and right now I am in that state where I feel I can try YouTube. And मुझे ना ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा expectations हैं. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि अच्छा मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मुझे पता है कि मेरा YouTube एक दिन फटेगा, मेरी ऑडियंस मुझे मिल जाएगी और मेरी जो रीच है और जो मेरा फेम है वो मुझे एट द एंड मिलेगा ही, ठीक है. पर किस वे में मिलेगा, वो YouTube से मिलेगा और किसी और चीज़ से मिलेगा, दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी अनफोल्डेड बाय फेट. आई फील दैट अगर मैं मेहनत करूँगी तो भाई मुझे जो मिलना होगा मिल जाएगा. तो ऑनेस्टली डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस, ठीक है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ चैनल वेयर यू कैन कम and you can just keep my videos in the background if you want to see something cozy and something very comforting to watch. That is what here I am to provide. And also I might be doing hauls. Of course I won't be doing a lot of clothing hauls, but like I might, yeah, as I said, expect the unexpected. I'll be doing a lot of fun, so join me for all of that fun activities, join me for everything. And also I am not somebody who would say कि यार hate मत दो, मुझे hate मत दो, because I am here to say that please hate दो. मुझे वो engagement चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए कि अच्छा आपके 4 कमेंट हो, उस पर 40 लोग और लाइक करें और फिर ऐसे मेरी वीडियो पे क्लिक्स ज़्यादा है. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग, share it with your family if you like. And also I have this one थिंग इन माई माइंड दैट मेरी जो वीडियो है या तो आप उससे रिलेट करोगे, या आप उससे कुछ सीखोगे, या आप उससे एग्री करोगे, ठीक है. सो ऑल द 3 एज ग्रुप्स आई एम ट्राइंग टू कवर. एंड ऑल्सो आई फील मेरी चीज़ों से बहुत सारे लोग ऑफेंड होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग शायद मेरे बोलने के तरीके से ऑफेंड हो, मेरे ड्रेसअप होने के तरीके से ऑफेंड हो. बट देन अगेन दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ क्लाउड फॉर मी, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर मी. सो प्लीज़ go ahead. And if you have video recommendations कि मैं क्या बनाऊँ क्या नहीं बनाऊँ, then please drop them in the comment sections. I'm very new to this, so also you are not going to expect ऐसा very crazy editing. I am going to hear and talk जितना मेरा मन करेगा, और मेरे को जो मन करेगा डालने का मैं वो डालने वाली हूँ, and it's going to be very fun. I'm just going to talk to the camera, right? If I have certain experiences, I will share them with you guys, and if I don't, then we will experience them together. ठीक है? So that is all what you can expect from me. And also please don't expect professional level videography or editing, because I just have a phone and myself. Also मेरे पास ना 2 mics और है. If you guys want कि मैं वो switch करके और बोलने का try करूँ और like you know audio quality better करने का try करूँ, तो let me know, because मेरा channel majorly बोलने का ही है. और that is pretty much it मेरे side से. And if you have any suggestions, any you know any you know criticism or anything that you have in mind, please go ahead and share, because I am open to everything, right? And also let me know if you guys want to see more like you know voiceover videos than face videos, because I feel that is going to be a little more hectic and more time consuming. And abhi like what my plan is that I'll upload 2 long videos every week and like shorts every day, right? And I have ample time, so I'm going to do that. Let's see how it goes for me. And also I really want it to be a space where you guys can also share your experiences, and I would love to talk to you guys. But I think that is not really possible on YouTube, because you guys can only comment and not send a voice note. So yeah, you can always reach out to me in the comments. And also I will be dropping my email address somewhere, either on the screen or in the description, so go and check that as well, because a lot of fun is coming on. Okay, hold on, stay with me, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, so till then, I take your leave, not your favorite YouTuber this side. And share my video, like, share, subscribe, hate, comment, do whatever you want to do with it. Press that bell icon, because I am going to upload regularly. And even if you don't you know press that bell icon, I am going to upload so many videos that my For You page is like your For You page is going to be filled with my videos. So you are going to expect that also. And let me know what changes. Should I like get a light? I think I should. I probably on like you know this thing, my car doesn't come with like an inbuilt light or a mirror, so I might get that. Or if you want, I can get those clip-on lights. Let me know however you want, however we can proceed. It's a comfortable place for both you and I. And expect a lot of gifts, expect a lot of you know giveaways, expect a lot of fun and musty and lives, expect a lot of yearning shit, right? And let me know what else you want. And that's all from my side. Like, share, subscribe, comment, or don't, because I will find my audience and be part of it. I really want you to call my audience. I want that कि अच्छा ठीक है मेरी audience भी हो जिसके पास एक space, safe space हो, right? Till then, also you're going to expect a lot of fumbles, a lot of you know these fillers, because I'm not a great speaker. Okay, and also we are going to like I am going to learn like work on my public speaking skills and a lot of more skills that I have to develop, and I'll be sharing my experiences about all of these. So till then, take care, goodbye, have fun, have musty, subscribe and interact with my content so that I get motivation to post more, and we can probably take this to another level. And you know baby me has always loved the idea of having a YouTube channel, so please make it so make it you know possible for baby me. And also if you think why do I randomly start laughing, it's just I look at myself in the camera. And if you guys have heard that song मैं तो देख देख शीशा शर्मांदी फिर, so that is honestly me. ऐसा देख के खुद के चेहरे को हंसी आ जाती है. So till then, take care, goodbye, like, share, subscribe and interact with my content, and I'll see you next day, not next week. We are going to meet very frequent. Okay, so take care, bye, and like, share, comment and subscribe to not your favorite YouTube channel, so that you know we can cross all of those milestones And we're going to have so much fun once I am a little visible on YouTube. Once I've reached 10K or 20K or a little more than that, then we're going to have so much interactive sessions. आई नो अभी ये सारी बातें बोलने वाली लग रही हैं, बट मेरा कंटेंट आता रहेगा, ठीक है. लेट मी नो, आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट अ लॉट. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू लाइक, व्हाट यू डोंट लाइक, and we're going to have so much fun. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye. I've said this thrice, but then I told you I love talking to the camera. So एक बार कैमरा चालू हो जाता है तो फिर मैं बोलती जाती हूँ, ठीक है. अब I won't stretch this more, ठीक है. Also, let me know what are you guys vibing with currently. Aisa, what are you reading, what are you watching? Let me know. If you want me to read or watch something, I will do that. Until then, I'll take your leave. Bye bye. Not your favorite YouTuber signing off.